I'm Abby.
And I'm Emily.
And we are back with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk flowers for rent. We are taking another request today. It is Khalifa. Khalifa wanted to see a Kinsley asymmetrical arch.
Yeah.
So here's her inspo.
Here's her inspo.
So products that we're going to use in the video are in the description below if you want to shop the link directly. And now we'll just
get into it.
Okay, so we're going to start with the OG Kinsley Garland. Kinsley got a refresh about 3 or 4 years ago now, and this was her original garland. So we kept it in the lineup. We're going to use this as our base, and we're going to attach it to the arch with some zip ties.
All of our garland will come to you as is, and all you'll need to do is zip tie it to the arch. This is super easy to do. So if you need a partner, that's okay.
Yeah, you always need a buddy. Okay.
Spacing. Okay. We have another one Abby will put on her side.
So this is the Wisteria Garland in the Kinsley Collection. So as you can see, it's a little more airy and daintier compared to the OG. So this really gives you that wildflower look you all love of Kinsley. So we're going to intertwine the two.
So these flowers are so big. I'm going to open make a little pocket almost in the garland petals and greenery. Really pretty. So just place it wherever you see fit. And so I'm going to add my other one right a little bit higher than the first one I placed and zip tie it right here. Now I'm going to go the opposite way.
I'm going to add a second one in here.
Oh my god.
Okay, cute. Need help?
False alarm. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add one more right here.
Finishing touches are the Floral Meadows. This is the Kinsley Collection. We're going to put it at the base.
The base.
Fill in this gap.
That is it.
We hope this is what you were looking for, Khalifa. And if you decide to recreate this for your wedding day, be sure to send us pictures. We would love to see how it turned out. If you also want to submit a request and you need some help from us, we are happy to do so. Just fill out the form in the description below. Let us know your budget, where you need help with, the collection you're interested in. Make sure you drop an inspo pic because that is key to the whole series, and we will choose one next week to recreate.
Yes, so if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
See y'all next week.
Bye.